If the battery is stuck at 80% while charging your Motorola Signature, let me show you what to do in order to fix this issue. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, if we scroll down, we should be able to find the battery setting. And then here we have to scroll down until you find the battery protection, or maybe you don't even have to scroll down. Usually the battery protection is the reason why the charging might be stuck at 80%. Whether you use manual schedule or if you use smart schedule, 80% might be the result of that. Of course, in the case of smart schedule, usually the phone might not learn the charging pattern yet, I mean how you charge your phone, so it might need still some time to figure out when you usually unplug the charger so that it can learn when to start charging from 80 to 100%. However, this is still like intuitive for the phone, so it's not always right. And if you don't want to use the charging protection at all, or battery protection, and if you always want to be able to use 100% or charge to 100%, then of course you can deactivate battery protection. But instead of that, what I might recommend you to do is use a manual schedule and then also apply a limit only for specific hours. So for example, if you always charge your phone at night, you might want to set up the limit over here from, let's say, midnight to 5:30, so when you wake up at 6, then the battery will be charged to 100%. But that is of course up to you how you want it to be. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.